Hello everyone, my name is Yiqi Chen. Here is Yiqi 中文. 中文 means Chinese. In this series of video, I will introduce and explain Chinese for beginners. Hope they can help you. Today is the first video. I'm going to tell you what is Pinyin and why we have to start Chinese learning with Pinyin. And then we will learn 6 simple finals. Okay, here we go. So first, what is Pinyin? Look at these 2 characters. Before, they look like this. From the earlier form, we can get the meaning of them, right? So, do you know what are they? Yes, right. They are sun and moon. So, Chinese characters, 汉字, are ideograms. From the meaning to the form, we cannot get any idea about how to read them. So we need something else to mark down the sound of the words, the characters. From the ancient China till now, we had used many different ways to mark them. And now we use Pinyin for Mandarin, the standard Chinese. Pinyin, this word, means spell sounds. So Pinyin transcribe Hanzi, help us to spell out Chinese. And also, we use Latin alphabet. So some Pinyin will look the same as English but sounds very different. That may make you confused. But don't worry, we will mark them and help you in the future. And of course, there are some sounds similar to English that will help you to master them really easy. So, from all these informations, we know Pinyin is really important. It is the basic for Chinese studying. Not only foreigners, but also native speakers. In China, children have to study Pinyin before they learn characters and others. Pinyin is very useful too. Suppose a simple way for people to type Hanzi. And when you don't know the character, you can replace it with Pinyin. People will understand it too. So we have to study Pinyin first. Then how Pinyin looks like. Look at here, Pinyin made of 3 parts, initials, finals, and tones. For example, Pinyin. Here P is initial, yes. In, final, yes. And this stick on top is tongue mark. This means the first tongue. In, Y is initial. In is final. And this one also tongue mark, the first tongue. Okay. In Chinese Pinyin, we have 7 simple finals, include 1 special simple final, R, and 13 compound finals, 16 finals with a nasal ending, 21 initials, 4 tongues. First of all, we learn the 6 basic simple finals. A, O, E, U, Y. From the pictures of mouth, we can find out that while pronouncing A, you have to open your mouth widely and then become smaller and smaller. So the relationship between the 6 simple finals is like this. Yes. The mouth opening from large to small. Also the sounds are from loud to low. A is the loudest and Y is the lowest. And also we have to remember this order. A, O, E, U, Y. Why? Because it is the tongue tugging order. I will tell you how to use it when we talk about tongues. And now, let's learn R first. This one is a little different from English. It sounds like the R when doctor asks you open mouth and say R. Say after me. R, R, R. Just open your mouth as wide as you can, but not too crazy. Okay. Okay. Ah, ah, ah. Okay, this is the first one. The second one is oh, oh, oh. It sounds like the oh from sorry, from the English sorry. Just remember, when pronounce oh, you have to round your lips as oh. Means your mouth have to be round as oh. Say after me. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. The third one is That's very different from English, right? Okay, first, let's say oh, and then while you say oh, pull your lips from mouth corners to your ears. Oh, like this picture. Yes. And also it sounds like the sound that people make when they are deciding what to say next. Like someone asks you, what are you doing now? I don't know. This is just a little low. While you speak you raise this up. You will get like Okay, say after me. If you do not like all these pictures this way help you to remember, just never mind them. Just listen and remember. The next one is e. It's very different from English, right? So how to pronounce it? Think about when you start to brush your teeth. You will close your teeth, right? Like a smile. Yes, do like this and listen. Yee, and follow, copy. Yee. Okay, it's simple, not so hard, just different. Yes, just remember it's yee. The last one is yee. There's no yi in English. So how to pronounce it? First, we say yi, and then while you say yi and round your lips, you can push your mouth to help it to be round. How it should be round looks like? Look at the picture. This woman, when we stay in the library or hospital, want some people to be quieter, you will do like her, right? So you do it and then copy and listen to my voice. Yee. Let's do from E to U. Yee. Yes, not too hard, not too hard. Okay, let's say again. Yee. Okay, that's all the 6 simple finals. Let's review them. Ah, 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 oh, 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 e, oo, Big mouth is ah, round mouth is o, and then flat lip and then closed teeth like smile yi, and then listen to the Chinese visual woo. And the last one, do like shh, be quieter. Okay, and I make a short dialogue to help us to remember all these 6 simple finals. Here we go. This ah because we have to practice after study, right? But your friend don't understand. Why so loud? Because he do not study, right? He do not know R is so loud. So ask, why so loud? And you say, oh, sorry, let's say E. And your friends still do not understand. Why say E? Still loud, right? Still have a noisy or sound or voice. And ask, why? You see the wu almost like the beginning of why. And your other friends say, shh, you, like you, shh, it is so time. Who's so time? It's her. So at the beginning of her show, she start to greet with kid, 你好, and the kid answer 你好. And also she has elderly friends. Also, she will greet with them too and say 您好, 您好. The elegant old lady will say 你好 to answer her. And this 你 here, when you say single, 你 means you. And 好 means good. 好 means good. Like wish you everything be nice, be good. 你好 is the greet we use in Chinese. And 您 is a polite expression of 你. So she used 您好, this 您, to show her respectation to the old lady. But nowadays, 你好 or 您好 more like used on official and formal occasions. Among young people, we just say hello or hi to each other. Yes, that's a good news for you guys. You can greet with young people in your own way. The Chinese store is open, right? Okay, that's all for the first video. It is your turn. Practice, train your muscle, let them use to new language. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. See you next time. 再见.